In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a page from a PDF using ILovePDF, an incredibly useful tool for all your PDF needs. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to ILovePDF's website. You can simply type in ilovepdf.com into your search bar and you'll be directed to their homepage, which is brimming with numerous PDF tools designed to make your digital life a bit easier. Once you're on the homepage, look for the All PDF Tools option. It's typically located at the center of your screen or along the navigation bar. Click on this to reveal a comprehensive list of tools available, showcasing how versatile this platform is when it comes to handling PDF files. Now you'll want to find and click on the Extract Pages option. This will direct you to a new page, specifically designed for breaking apart your PDF documents. Here you'll notice a big red button that says Select PDF File. Clicking on this button will prompt you to upload the PDF file from which you would like to extract specific pages. You'll be able to browse through your computer's directory and select the appropriate document. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see a preview and some options that allow you to manipulate the document to meet your needs. If you need to extract a specific range of pages, you can click on the Range option. This is perfect for situations where you don't need every single page from the document, just a specific section. You'll notice an input field that allows you to define the range of pages you wish to extract. Simply type in the starting and ending page numbers, and you'll be set to move on to the next step. Alternatively, if you want to choose individual pages instead of a range, click on the Pages option to select those specific pages. This can be extremely useful when you only need non-sequential pages from your document. Take your time to select each page you need, as the tool is designed to make this as straightforward as possible. Once you have your pages or range selected, decide whether you want to extract all pages or just the ones you've selected. You'll have a clear option on the screen to choose from, ensuring you have full control over your document. When you're satisfied with your selections, click on Split PDF. The tool will work quickly to process your request and will soon present you with the exact pages you need extracted. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to extract specific pages from a PDF using ILovePDF. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your documents with greater ease and precision. Don't forget to download your new, neatly organized PDF file and you're all set.